Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering what is network, what is computer network, uses of computer networks nowadays, and also I will explain futures of computer networks. Guys, I have uploaded complete computer network subject tutorials. I will provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. At first, I will explain what is network. A network is a group of things that are connected to each other. These things can be people, places, or devices that share information. Guys, for example, there are a group of friends talking to each other. As all friends are connected to each other, we call it as network. For example, Hyderabad is near to Delhi. As both places are connected to each other, we call it as network. For example, I will on Bluetooth in my mobile and I will transfer files from my mobile to my friend mobile. As my and my friend mobile both are connected to each other by using Bluetooth, so we call it as network. So network is nothing but group of things that are connected to each other, and things can be either people or places or devices, and all of these things are connected to each other in order to share information. This is example. If you consider telephone network will connect multiple phones, so people can talk to each other. This is example of network. Next I will explain what is computer network. A computer network is a system where two or more devices or computers that are connected so they can share information and resources. These devices communicate with each other using wires or wireless signals. Guys, I will give one example so that you can clearly understand what is computer network. For example, by using cable, I will connect my computer with mobile and I will copy songs from my computer to mobile. As both devices are connected to each other, we call it as computer network. Guys, network is nothing but connection of things like places, people, devices, etc. Whereas computer network is nothing but connection of devices, and connection can be either wired or wireless. Here in this example, I connected my computer and mobile using cable. So this is considered as wired connection. Same example, now I will connect my computer and mobile using Bluetooth. As both devices are connected to each other by using Bluetooth, so we consider it as wireless connection. Wired connection is nothing but connecting devices with cables, whereas wireless connection is nothing but connecting devices using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Guys, in computer network, we'll connect devices in order to share information and resources. For example, by using computer, we'll share information like messages, songs, movies, etc. I will give example of resources. For example, I want to print some pages by using printer. So I will connect my computer with printer in order to print pages. So this printer is considered as resource. So in computer networks, we will connect devices in order to share information and resources, and this connection can be either wired or wireless. These are examples of computer network. And the first one is connecting mobile phone to Wi-Fi in order to access internet. And second example is using network like internet in my computer. I will send email or message to my friend. And third example is in office, all employees will connect their computers with printer in order to print files. All these are examples of computer network. Next I will explain uses of computer networks nowadays. Guys, we will use computer networks for communication, like we can send emails, WhatsApp messages, video calls that helps people stay connected. And businesses also use computer networks for meetings and teamwork, like they will use Zoom, Microsoft Teams, etc. for communication. And second one is internet access. Guys, we need network in order to access websites, in order to browse YouTube videos, and in order to get information online. And third one is file sharing. Guys, we also need network in order to share files. Employees in a company share files, documents, and software through a network. And also, by using printer, we can connect to multiple computers and we can print files. So printer act as resource. And fourth one is online shopping and banking. Guys, by using Flipkart and Amazon websites, we can purchase products online. And we also need internet banking in order to transfer money, check balance, etc. And fifth one is entertainment. Guys, by using network, we can watch movies using Amazon Prime, Netflix, etc. And we can also listen songs, play online games, and we can also watch online TV. And sixth one is social media and news. Guys, in order to access social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, etc., we need network. And by using network, we can also see online newspapers. And seventh one is business and work. Guys, in software companies, Various employees will work from home from different locations. All of these people stay connected by using network. So employees work on the same project from different locations using a company network. And companies also use network in order to sell products, manage orders, and store customer data. And eighth one is smart homes and IoTs. Guys, at present, most of them are using smart devices like smart lights, CC cameras, etc. So in order to use smart devices, we need network. And by using mobile, we can operate CC cameras. So by using network, people can monitor their homes from anywhere. And ninth one is mobile networks. Guys, even by using mobiles, we can use internet online. Mobiles support 3G, 4G and 5G networks by which we can access network. And last one is healthcare and online services. Nowadays, so many online apps are available in order to consult with doctors. For example, MFIN app. So patients will consult to doctors online using apps like MFIN. And hospitals also need network in order to store patient information. Guys, all these are the reasons why we are using computer networks nowadays. So a computer network is a powerful tool that connects computers, people, devices to share information and resources. It is used in homes, offices, businesses, education, entertainment and healthcare. So today, networks make life faster, easier and more connected. Next I will explain features of computer networks. Computer networks have several key features that makes them useful for communication and data sharing. These are key features of computer networks. And the first one is connectivity. Guys, by using computer networks, we can connect to multiple devices like computers, printers, mobile phones, etc. And connection can be either wired or wireless. So first feature is connectivity. And second one is resource sharing. Guys, by using computer networks, we can share resources like files, softwares, printer, internet, etc. And third one is communication. Guys, by using computer networks, we can communicate with other devices. Like we can send emails, we can send messages, video calls, voice calls, etc. And fourth one is scalability. Guys, scalability is nothing but expandability. Guys, we can add more devices in network without affecting performance. So scalability is nothing but expandability. And fifth one is reliability. Guys, by using network, whatever the files that are present in our computer, we can store that files in multiple computers by using network. For example, if there is any loss of data, simply you can restore your data from other computers. So by using network, we can do backup and recovery. So computer network provides backup and recovery options to prevent data loss. And sixth one is security. Guys, by using network, we can securely transfer our data from one computer to another computer. And we can achieve security by using firewalls, encryption technique, and authentication. That is nothing but giving passwords to protect our data. And seventh one is speed. Guys, computer networks are very fast. We can transfer data within seconds. So enables fast data transfer between connected devices. And eighth one is flexibility. Guys, in computer network, we can connect devices by using wires or wireless. Wired is nothing but we can use Ethernet cables in order to connect devices, and wireless is nothing but we can connect devices using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And ninth one is cost efficient. Guys, instead of purchasing devices, we can connect to other devices and we can use. For example, I want to use high configuration computer for my office work. So instead of purchasing computer, what I can do is by using internet, I can connect to my friend's high configuration computer and I can use. And last one is centralized data management. Guys, normally in software companies, complete data is stored in one server. Guys, server is nothing but 24/7 running high configuration computer. Guys, each and every software company contains server and complete company information is stored in this server. So this server must work 24/7. For example, if you consider Amazon.in, whenever you open Amazon website, that website is available to you because that website is running 24/7 in Amazon company server. So server is nothing but 24/7 running high configuration computer. In software companies, complete data is stored in server and all employees are connected to the server in order to access information and in order to store files. So software companies store data on centralized servers for easy access and management. All these are the features of computer networks.